My name is Maika. I read class 3. Today my topic is sharing. Things things I can share with my friends and siblings. Snacks, books, ideas, stationery, toys, knowledge. Thank you.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.